Hello everyone. In Python, the logical operators and or are used to combine conditions, but they behave differently depending on the truth value of each condition. The AND operator. When you write an expression like W and Z, the result will be true only if both W and Z are true. In all other cases, the result is false. The OR operator. When you write W or Z, the result will be false only if both W and Z are false. In every other case, the result will be true. Short circuit behavior. Both and or use something called short circuit evaluation, meaning Python sometimes doesn't evaluate the second condition at all. Short circuit in an expression like condition 1 and condition 2, if condition 1 is false, Python does not evaluate condition 2 because the final result will definitely be false, regardless of the second condition. Short circuit in OR. If condition 1 is true, Python skips condition 2 because the final result will be true, no matter what the second condition is. Why short circuiting matters? Short circuiting is especially useful when you know that the first condition is cheaper to compute. For example, if condition 1 is a simple comparison, but condition 2 involves calling a function or performing a heavy calculation, placing the cheaper check first can make your code more efficient. Goodbye.